Good morning, my name is Kit Beaudry. This morning we're going to give you a brief walkthrough of the 2019 Grady-White 285 Freedom. We've ordered this particular boat in sea glass green gel coat. We've equipped it with Yamaha 300 4-strokes. Step aboard, I'll show you some of the great features of the 285 Freedom. First thing you'll notice when you step aboard, the optional ski pylon. The 285 is very versatile. You can make it a fishing boat or a day cruising boat. Large bench seat across the transom. You have the electric sliding seat that meets it. Nice little wet bar area here with the optional grill, or you can just get the sink. Moving forward, this particular boat is equipped with Yamaha Helm Master. On the port side here, you'll notice we have a vacuum flush head. Moving forward to the bow. Very spacious, makes it a great day boat. You do have fish boxes under each side, or you can just lounge and use it as a day boat. Last but not least, the through-hull windlass system. Thank you for watching the video. Remember, you can always visit us online at MarineMax.com. Thank you.